You have to check out upstairs. We have all these themed rooms. It's absolutely amazing.
I've heard it's another planet upstairs.
Yeah, you want to see it?
It's totally different.
Let's check it out.
I'm dying to. Let's check it out.
Well, welcome to Diagon Alley, Charlie. And
Oh my God.
well, and the kids too, of course. You can get a little crazy here. You want to do the honors?
Sure.
There you go.
And
Isn't that cool?
That's crazy. What? I feel like I'm back at the park.
Look, every room up here is highly themed. I mean, Harry Potter Gryffindor, Harry Potter Slytherin, Star Wars.
Is that Cinderella room over there?
it is, you have the bed that looks like the carriage. You have the Cinderella slipper and Cinderella on the wall. It's literally every girl's little dream. We have an avatar room with the bunk beds and the trees and the lights and the epoxy floors.
Who else we got?
Well, my son's favorite room, Avengers.
You have Captain America in there with his shield. We got the Hulk that's up on the wall.
really cool.
Yeah, the Hulk is so cool and it's all in black light.
Iron Man's actual heart?
Isn't that cool?
I know.
Even the quirks of this house. I walk by the bookcase and I'm looking and I'm like, it's just a normal bookcase. I'm not even thinking about it. The books start moving at me. Mm-hmm. I think it's really cool that every angle of this house, the love of family and the gathering of family is a main ingredient.
What better to do than sit on this big couch up here and watch a nice movie, pop some popcorn,
With a real popcorn machine?
and end your night just eating and talking, discussing about what fun activities you guys did and what to do tomorrow.
Can't thank you guys enough for having us here. I mean, this was really a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you coming.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Time to get on the road and show them the next place here in Orlando.
I got a better way for you.
What do you got?
Check out that phone booth.
I could use it?
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you very much. I've been waiting for this moment.
Gets them every time.